Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start a new lesson, the worth of a fabric. The worth of a fabric. Thiruvalluvar was a great Tamil saint poet. Thiruvalluvar. Who was he? He was a great Tamil saint poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Thirukural is the book of his teaching. Thirukural. So all his teaching, all his message was written on this in this book. It is greatly loved and respected even today also. Thiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. He was a textile weaver. Kapde bunne wala. Textile weaver. He wove beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. What he did? He just wore beautiful saris, fabric, and sold them in the market. People said that he never got angry. He never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. In the same town, there lived a rich man. Okay. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friend. He was very rich and he wasted his time in roaming here and there with friends. They often made fun of other people. They were making fun of other people. They were laughing at them. Okay, and I don't believe what people say about his Balluvar. Said the young man one day. I'm sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. So one man is saying that I can make him angry. Let's have fun today. So the arrogant young man approached Thiruvalluvar. Okay, Thiruvalluvar in the market and picked a beautiful piece of fabric. So I'll show you the picture, see like this. So he had taken the beautiful picture and Thiruvalluvar just sitting. So he is having so many fabrics. Okay. Now, the arrogant young man approached Thiruvalluvar. He approached in the market and picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. What he did? He picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. How much does this whole fabric cost? He is asking to Thiruvalluvar. How much does this whole fabric cost? He asked. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it into two. What's the price of this now? He turned that fabric into two parts. And he's asking to Thiruvalluvar that what is the price of this piece now? 4 coins. The saint answered politely. He is very polite. He never get angry. That's why he answered politely 4 coins. The youth was taken aback. Why doesn't the man get angry? He thought. He then tore the half pieces into half again. Again, he made the half of this. Tore and make again. And now 2 coins was the answer. Now he is saying, now what is the cost of this? How much the cost is now? So he is answering 2 coins. Now it was the young man who became impatient and agitated. The young man became very impatient and he is very agitated. He tore the piece into half again. Yes, he tore the piece again and again. He tore the piece, saying, "And now, what is the price now?" Ag- So many times he's making half, like this. Again and again, he's storing that cloth. And now, what is the price now? Thiruvalluvar calmly went on reducing the price to half every time. Every time he is saying 1 coin, 50 say whatever he is reducing the price every time. At last, the fabric was reduced to rags. The fabric was reduced to rags. So Thiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone, "Now this fabric has become worthless." Thiruvalluvar said, "No, this is not the fabric. It is worthless now. I will not name any price for these rags." Rags खराब हो गया था, पूरा फट गया था. Okay, और छोटे छोटे. The young man did not know what to say. The young man didn't know what to say now. But he was proud of his riches. But he was proud of his riches. So he offered to pay 8 coins to the cent. But he was very rich. That's why he offered him 8 coins. Okay. To the cent. For the first time, Thiruvalluvar smiled, but he refused to take the money. First time he just smiled. Smiled at him, but he refused to take the money. Okay. Young man, now this fabric is of no use. Now this fabric is no use. It is converted into rags. Okay. It has become worthless. Why? It has become worthless. But why? Because no one will be able to wear it now. No one will be able to wear it now. Okay, that's why it is worthless. Okay. Now, do you know the fabric was not made in a day? He's saying, do you know the fabric was not made in a day? Many people have toiled to make it. The farmer who grew cotton in his field worked hard for months through sun and rain. He picked cotton from each ball and gave it for spinning. Then someone else carded the cotton and spun it into long uniform threads. The threads were dyed carefully so that they took these lovely colors. My wife and I wove the threads together, putting the beautiful designs. We thought someday someone will like this fabric, will be happy to wear it. So he is explaining the young man, there is a very hard work behind all this process in making of clothes. So the worth of a fabric, he is just telling him what is the worth of the fabric. See, first of all, it is not made in a day. Okay, एक दिन में नहीं बनता है. It is not made in a day. Many people had toiled to make it. बहुत सारे लोग उसको मिलके बनाते हैं. The farmer, first the role of farmer is very important. The farmer who grew cotton in his field, वो क्या करता है, अपने फील्ड में कॉटन को ग्रो करता है, पता है ना. Then work hard for months and months, and working hard through sun and rain and all these things. He picked cotton from each ball and give it for spinning. स्पिन करने के लिए दे देता है. ईच बॉल से वो कॉटन निकाल के उसको स्पिन करने के। देन समवन एल्स कार्डेड द कॉटन, कुछ लोग कार्डेड द कॉटन, स्पून इट लॉन्ग यूनिफॉर्म थ्रेड्स, कुछ लोग उसमें से यूनिफॉर्म थ्रेड्स बनाने का काम करते हैं, लंबे लंबे धागे, यूनिफॉर्म थ्रेड्स। द थ्रेड्स वर डाइड केयरफुली, वो थ्रेड्स को कलर करते हैं, डाई करते हैं अलग अलग कलर से, बट इट इज वेरी केयरफुल प्रोसेस। ओके, so that Thiruvalluvar is saying, my wife and I wove the threads together, मेरी वाइफ और मैं, हम थ्रेड वोइंग का काम करते हैं, we were woving, WOVEN वो WOVE वो थ्रेड्स बनाने का। पुटिंग इन ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन्स, उसको ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन्स में डालते हैं। ओके, we thought someday someone will like this fabric, हम ऐसा सोचते कि someone will like this fabric and will be happy to wear it, will be happy to wear it, then all our work would have been rewarded, that's why all our work would have been rewarded. When you destroy the fabric, you destroyed all the love and labor. When you tore that fabric and make it 2 pieces, you destroy the fabric, you destroyed all the love and labor that went into its making. Money cannot bring it back. पैसे उसको वापस ला सकते कि नहीं? Now it is worthless, it is of no use, because he made 2 pieces of that, 2 half of that particular fabric. So money cannot bring it back. Understood? The softly spoken words touched the young man's heart. Okay, he is very soft, he is very polite. Okay, that's why he is speaking very politely, softly. And softly spoken words touched the young man's heart. Now, he was really ashamed of himself. He was really ashamed of himself. And do you know, Thiruvalluvar went on to say, I can weave another fabric like this. मैं दूसरा भी fabric बना सकता हूँ. I can weave another fabric like this. But our life is also like this fabric. But अपना जीवन भी fabric जैसे है. How? If you tear it apart with hasty, thoughtless action, बिना सोचते हुए उसको destroy, it will be destroyed. उसको turn कर दिया, उसको tear कर दिया, फाड़ दिया, so it will be destroyed and you will not get it back again. लाइफ भी वैसी है, एक बार हमने बिना सोच के कुछ कर दिया तो वो वापस नहीं क्या कर सकते, वापस वैसे के वैसे नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, so Thiruvalluvar's words opened the young man's eyes. Thiruvalluvar's words opened the young man's eyes there, and then he decided to give up his idleness and bad habits. Thiruvalluvar ने उसकी आंखें खोली. यंग मैन, वो रिच तो था लेकिन ऐसे ही काम करता था, घूमता था, कुछ भी नहीं करता था. So his eyes were opened because of the Thiruvalluvar. Then he decided to give up his idleness, आलसीपना छोड़ देना, and bad habits को छोड़ देना. He decided that he decided to give up his idleness and bad habits. Okay, so this is the story, the worth of a fabric. The worth of fabric. So everybody should know the worth of a fabric, because so many people are involved, their hard work. Okay, their hard work is there in making of any fabric. So we must have the worth of a fabric. Okay. In this way, we have finished this topic, the worth of a fabric. Understood? Okay. So question answers we will see in the next period. Okay. Bye, student. Yes. Your homework is read the homework is read the lesson. Read the lesson. Okay, you have to read the lesson, the worth of a fabric. Understood? Okay. Bye.